welcome to my channel Iknuwal. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknuwal. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today we are going to make a lantern car. See, like this one. See, it's looking beautiful, right? Now we have to make this. Now let me tell you the material required to make this lantern. We need origami sheet and some decorations and a scissor, a fevistick and one pencil and one scale and 2 glitter sheets. Now let's start making it. You need 2 origami sheets and make some lines like this with the scale. And like that. One more line like this. Put it like this. And one more line like this. Really carefully. And one last line. Like this, and we need to make like this. And now we need to join these 2 papers with fevistick. Okay, first we need to put fevistick over here and put it really carefully. And done. Now just we have to join it. Oops. Pick it up. And let's join it. It should like this. And it's joined. And now with the help of the elder one, we need to cut these parts. Boom! Now it's done! Tada, how it's looking! Wow! And now take one more origami sheet and cut it like this. And now first we need fevistick. And put them over here. Put the fevistick. Put the fevistick. Put the fevistick. Oh, wait. Put the fevistick. Put the fevistick. And now close it. And do it like this. Like this, and see, it started looking like this, and we have to cut these extra parts with the help and do it like this. Like this. Okay, now let me cut it, and the cutting part is done. Now for these things we need 4 to 5 origami sheets. 4 to 5 origami sheets and cut them a little bit to make like these. On the back side of this over here, we need to paste these hairy little things. Okay, how to paste it? First we need to put hair fevistick. And then we need to put it and do it like that. It's so easy. Put it like this and put it like that and put it. And ta-da! Now see, it makes the same sound also. Wow! With the help of these glitter sheets, we need to cut 2 squares and 2 triangles. And now let's do it! And it's done. 2 squares, 2 triangles. Open now. Okay, now this puts. Now we have to fix the triangles. Now, and done. Now another one. And put it. And boom. Now it's almost done. We have to join 2 strips like this and paste it on the back. And it's a done. Now it's time to decorate it. We need some of these strips or anything, flowers, anything you can do it. Like I put these stars over here. Now I'm putting flowers. Okay, first we need this strip and put it over here for decorating. And ta-da! How is it looking? This is the new one and this is the old one. They both are looking so beautiful. Over here I decorated with flowers and over here I decorated with stars. Diwali to decorate your home. Hope you like my crafting video. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel. Bye bye, 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 and happy Diwali!